What's up everybody? Today we review the Forge Supplements Astro Pre-Workout. A few days back, Forge Supplements sent me some of their products and I gave the Astro Pre-Workout a shot before my leg day, and I have to say I'm extremely impressed with this stuff. If you know me, you know that when it comes to supplements, I am very strict about what I put on my body. So the first thing that stood out to me with this stuff is the fact that it's all made in an FDA registered facility and that is extremely rare to find. Especially with a new company like Forge. So that is the first thing that stood out and kind of blew my mind about this stuff. So it essentially just ensures that whatever you're getting is coming from a clean laboratory and it's being made in a clean environment. So that's the first thing that stood out. But also the flavor of this stuff, very surprising. A new company like Forge getting the flavor right is very rare. But let's list off some of the ingredients and see what they have in here. You're getting 5 grams of L-citrulline malate. And L-citrulline malate is essentially a nitric oxide booster that's pushing more blood into your muscles. So the more blood you can get into your muscles, the more oxygen and the more nutrients your muscles are getting. So that essentially just helps with the pump, helps with your muscular endurance, allows you to keep going. So that is a very important ingredient. And the fact that there's 5 grams, very good. You're also getting 2 grams of beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is known to help with muscular endurance. So that also helps with keep going. I love some beta-alanine. You're also getting arginine in here, which is another nitric oxide booster. The fact that you already have the 5 grams of L-citrulline is already good enough. So the fact that they're adding the arginine as well is also awesome. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see the choline. The fact that it has choline is awesome as well. You're getting 500 milligrams. Choline helps with mental focus. It speeds up the metabolism, helps you burn more fat throughout the day. So the fact that it has choline, awesome as well. It's very rare to see that in a pre-workout. You're also getting GABA. I very rarely see GABA in a pre-workout, so I mean, they're adding all kinds of stuff in here that I don't usually see. But GABA is amazing for stress, anxiety, anybody who struggles with stress and anxiety. GABA is awesome, also helps with sleep, hormone production as well, speeds up your metabolism. And then when it comes to the caffeine, you're getting 250 milligrams. So it's right in the middle. It's not too strong for someone who's not used to caffeine, but you're also getting a good bit for anybody who's used to taking caffeine. So that's right there, perfect in that middle area. So I like that as well. It's not gonna smack anybody in the face who's not used to using it, but it's still gonna give you that energy if you do take in caffeine on a regular basis. And then to top it all off, they add black pepper in here. 5 milligrams of black pepper. That is extremely rare. If you don't know what black pepper does, it helps with the absorption of all these awesome ingredients. So it's just gonna make these ingredients more effective when you use them. The last thing you need is to take something like this and not absorb all the ingredients. So that's really gonna help. So I highly recommend this stuff and Forge supplements in general. I have to say I was very surprised at the quality of product that they sent me. The fact that it's being made in an FDA registered facility, the taste, the packaging, the ingredients, everything, it was very surprising to me. I have to say, when they sent me this, I was not expecting to enjoy this product as much as I did. But I highly recommend this stuff. And if you know me, you know I'm very strict and particular about what I recommend and what I take. So I have to say, I have to give it to them. Forge, y'all did an awesome job. And I really like your space themed stuff with the astronauts and the aliens. I found that to be really cool as well. But I'll leave a link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube where you can get this stuff. And if you're watching this on Instagram, I will post a link in the story where you can swipe up and get this stuff as well. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you later.